Welcome everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to download and install DB browser for SQLite. For that, you have to type DB browser, download. So you have to choose the first option, that is for the SQLite. So you have to choose that. So you have to open that. In that, you have to choose your bit, that is 32-bit or 64-bit. You have to choose any one of them. For that, I am going to choose 64-bit for my Windows. So you have to wait for the download option. After the download is completed, you have to open that. So you have to select the next option. And then you have to accept the license. In that, you have to select the two options, the first option and the second option. And then you have to select next. After the completion of installation, you have to select finish. And then you have to open the desktop. In that, you can see the DB browser. You have to select that. So you have to select OK. So this is the GUI of the DB browser for running the SQLite. We are going to discuss SQLite in the DB browser. So you have to create a new database. For that, you have to select new database option. In that, you have to type the database name. So your own choice, database can be your own choice. So you have to type SQLite or anything. After that, you have to select save option. After the database is created, you have to select execute SQL. So in that, we are going to discuss our SQLite. So in the upcoming class, we are going to discuss about how to create table in the SQLite. So let's see you in the next class.